This video will guide you through the process of unlocking a file sent to you by the ICAM on Windows. After placing your order, you will receive an email from the ICAM team at icam.k12.in.us. You will need to download this file as soon as possible, as the link is only active for 15 calendar days. If you do not download in the 15 calendar day timetable, you will need to request a new link. Next, you will want to make sure you have the digital download client, which can be found on the Patents Project website on the ICAM page. Once on the ICAM page, you will find the client under Tools and Downloads. The instructions for downloading this client are found on this page. Once you have completed this step, you are ready to move on. To organize your files, you might want to consider making a folder that will contain your unlocked files. I'm going to make that folder here on my desktop and call it Completed Files. If you have more than one student that you're getting files for, you might want to consider making additional folders inside of this folder with the student's name. Your file will then start to download. Depending on the browser that you are using, you will see your file show up in the Downloads folder. I'm using Google Chrome, and the file shows up in the bottom left. I can click on this arrow and say Show in Folder, and it shows me the location of my file. You will want to remember this file location as you will be using it in the next step. Next, you want to click and open the digital download client. From here, go ahead and click on the Help file and View Help. Make sure that you can see the contents of this Help window. This will ensure that your digital download client is working properly. You are now ready to close this box. Next, click on the Browse button next to the source file. Here you will navigate to the downloaded file and click Open. Next, click on the Browse button next to Destination. Here you will navigate to where you want to save your unlocked file. Next, you will enter your username and password using your ICAM credentials. Once your credentials are entered, hit Unlock. It will take a moment to process. You'll get a message. Say OK. Exit this box, and you can go to the folder that you made, double click, you will see that it created a folder. You can double click on this folder and you can see your file that is ready to go for your student. It is now unlocked and ready. At this point, you might want to go back to where the download folder is and delete the original downloaded file with the WCC extension. This file will no longer be needed, and deleting it will reclaim some of your disk space. If you run into any problems or issues trying to use the unlock process, feel free to contact Jeff Bond or myself, Sandy Staubenfeld. Our contact information can be found at www.patentsproject.com. Thank you.